Hey guys, so update. I've ordered the temperature sensor and connector. So I checked on Amazon. There's one that comes with the sensor and the connector, so I'll be able to put the new connector and the sensor tomorrow. It should come, but knowing these Amazon drivers, they don't come till the night time to deliver the stuff to the people out here. So it's tomorrow, Wednesday. Thursday I'll be able to put it in unless the weather's raining, then Friday. But now I'm doing another thing, the glow plug number 3. So I'm able to get to the glow plug. Usually, I'll just show you this, usually you have to take off the manifold and remove the wiring harness, but I was able to remove the wiring harness a little bit, and I'll just show you this. So it's kind of hard to see now, but that's the glow plug. That's the glow plug connector, and basically down there, but I'm able to so it's in a tight spot, but I'm able to put a 10mm deep socket to remove the glow plug. I've ordered another one at the parts shop here. Should be here in after 2. I can grab that and at least put it on. But sometimes with glow plugs, they get seized. So if you do it on a cold engine, you start undoing it, it can snap, and half of it will stay in the engine, and then you have to buy a toolkit to drill it out, clean it up. It's a big hassle. But what I found is if you warm up the engine really hot, just like when I did the injectors, if you warm up, you have a much better chance of removing it without snapping it. And also what you'll do is, after the engine's warm, tighten it a little bit, like you're torquing it, then reverse it, then loosen it, and it should come off without snapping it. But I'm just going to let it warm up for half an hour, the engine, and then we'll see. These are still good. Nice and clean, better than before. No diesel's leaked out. But yeah, that should be there, the gold one. That's where the glow plug is. But usually, yeah, you have to remove that, the manifold. I was able to lift this up, and yeah, so it should be alright. We'll come back soon. More cool stories with Paul. So we've warmed up the engine now. It's pretty warm. I should be able to get the injector out now. So I've loosened the wiring harness. Oops. Yep. That one too. I'll try my best. Alright, good luck to me. It snaps. I think it's coming out. Yeah. Stupid glow plug out. Woo! That's another trick tip. Warm up the engine, it'll expand the parts, make them loose, but yeah. Now I have to wait at least another hour till the parts shop gets this one in, and we'll see. If the error still comes up after when I scan it, it's most likely then the glow plug relay switch is mucking up. But we'll see. We'll see when we get to it later, eh? What's that? I'll be back. I went to the parts store. I got my glow plug. Nice new one. Yeah. Old one. That's the old one. Just comparing them both. You can see the tips. Alright, let's chuck that on. Doing it nicely. Nice, mate, nice. Shit. It's tight access, but I'll get it. I'm champion. This really doesn't require much to be tight. Like some people, you don't need gorilla strength to tighten this, you just need a little bit. You tighten it heaps, you're screwed then. That's the go in. Alright. Yep. Doesn't require much. That's it. Yeah. Where's this shit? Get in there. Put it back. Where the fuck is it? Bruh. Clipped in. Once you hear that click. Woo! Alright, let's put it back now. That's what I took off before. Make sure all the sensors in. Yeah, that one's nice. What's that one? Yeah. Sensors back in, clipped in, that's in, nice, nice, yeah, it's nice. Someone else going on here. This one too. Hey, sort out your alarms, people. Just checking everything for if I can celebrate. I'm saying. Make sure you check everything before you celebrate. I miss you. Check, triple check, quadruple check if I have to. So that's, well, you can't really see now, but you can get to them without taking this whole side off. Just doing it my way, just lifting, just being gentle and cursing for a little bit, this and that. And yeah, we'll start her again. But I'm still waiting on the ambient temperature, so that error will stay in there until it's connected and put in. But yeah, we'll come back.